halkan waxa ila jooga walaal Soomaaliyeed oo magaciisa leeyahay Saciid oo homeless ah ama guri la'aan ay hayso wuxuu iga aqbalay in uu fartiintan dadka Soomaaliyeed la wadaago waa fartiin positive ah looguna talagalay dhalinyarada Soomaaliyeed in lagu wargeliyo ama lagu wacyigeliyo Saciid soo dhawo.
Welcome, thank you very much.
And tell us a bit about yourself. Okay.
My name is Saeed and I've been living in London for a long time. I was a builder by trade and I was always working and I studied before, but I realized that education is very, very important, even though I didn't continue. So I advise my Somali brothers and the youth always to pursue education. Education is the key for development and to rectify and to control yourself. I took the wrong path at some point and I paid for it, but people like our brother is always here to give us the light and good advice.
Okay, you said you took a wrong turn. What happened? You don't have to go in details, but just give us a rough picture.
I was in a tough neighborhood. I grew up
London?
In London, in the west side of London. I grew up with people of different races, different religion. We don't have any control of what we do, any discipline. We do what we want to do at any time we want to do. We don't listen to our elders because we think we know it all. And then I started doing some business which is illegal, and we got arrested at the end. And
was drugs involved?
Yes, yes, we were selling Class A narcotics.
Go ahead.
And I have repented at the moment.
How did you get caught?
And police will always catch you. They always catch the criminals. And I advise my younger brothers, money is good, it's beautiful, the life of crime pays, but it will eventually catch up with you. And I'm at the moment in a bad situation.
How old are you?
I'm 27 at the moment.
You're 27, but just that. Okay, and crime but samaystay waa lagu xiray. How long ka xirnay?
1 year and few months.
Hadda waxaad rabtaa inaad dariiqii hore ka soo noqotid oo Ilaahay u soo noqotid oo toobad keentid saa u sheegtay.
Inshallah, yes.
Inshallah, Ilaahay kuu kaalmeeyo. Bustaa gacanta ku wadataa waa maxay sababta bustaa wadatid?
At the moment I'm homeless. Since I came out from prison, I've lost my place. I wasn't always like this. This blanket was given to me by the charity organizations. They helped me with accommodation in the future. However, I wasn't like this. But what I have done led me to this situation. And hopefully everything will be fine. When I was in prison, I done construction work and I done things which will benefit me when I come out. So always do something that will benefit you and don't become like my situation.
Okay, videogan aan ka duubay raalli ma ka tahay inaan bulshada Soomaaliyeed la wadaago internetka meel walba?
Yes, maxaa jeclahay inaan always dhalinyarada always jidka toosan inay arkaan oo always inaa wax fiican oo la sheego oo talada muhiim waay. Very important.
Okay,
yes, absolutely.
Videogan raalli ma ka tahay inaan
internetka? Yes, I am absolutely, I agree. Raalli ba tahay 100%.
Hadda waxaa seexataa jidka seexataa habeenkii?
Yes, I sleep in the car park, me and few of my other mates, and we are surviving day by day. Yes.
Okay, wax dhibaato ma kala kulantaa seexashada dariiqa iyo gidaarada?
Yes. Marmar sometimes you will meet the wrong people, the wrong crowd. You will wake up no breakfast, no food. Sometimes you will end up in the cold weather. Sometimes, you know, you will end up no money in your pocket. It's a difficult situation.
هذا وما تصنتها إلهي كوكال ميوارك ودي الرجل ولا جاهز.
Thank you very much.